strands in your mind. All the wonderful softly steal my breath. Emeralds from mountains, just toward the sky, never revealing their depth.
I love you, Esther!
And tell me that we belong together. Does it all with the trappings of a love? I'll be captivated. I'll hang from your lips instead of the colors of heartache that hangs from above.
Dito.
And I'll be your crying shoulder. I'll be the love to your side. I'll be better when I'm older. I'll be the greatest fan of your life.